Install the primary operating panels or inactive panels first. Lift the top of the panel into the interior most head jamb track. Then swing the bottom over the sill track until it is centered over the roller guide. Set the panel gently onto the guide. Install the secondary panels next. Make sure each panel overlaps the previously installed panels so that the interlocks can engage. Install the pocket panel last. Install the pocket panel first. Install the pocket support block. The holes are pre-drilled at the top and bottom. Fasten the top and bottom using the screws found in the bag marked with the green dot. Pre-drill through middle fastener holes into the pocket support block. Fasten the middle of the block using the screws found in the bag with the green dot. Install the pocket cover assembly. Fasten the top and bottom using the screws found in the bag marked with the green dot. Pre-drill through the middle holes and into the cover. Fasten the middle portion with the screws found in the bag marked with a green dot. On pocket doors with 4 or more tracks, attach the pocket cover support bracket to the cover. Attach with 2 self-drilling screws provided. Attach the pocket cover trim piece. The trim is barbed into the pocket panel. Insert a pocket cover bumper at the top and bottom of the pocket cover trim. Squeeze the bumper and insert into the pre-drilled holes. On single track pocket doors, attach the A3312 pocket cover trim piece. Install the secondary panels next. Install the operating panels last. Install the pocket bumpers on the exterior-most jamb track. Fasten through the top and bottom installation holes. If the installation screws are already in place, remove and insert the bumper using the same screw.